Welcome to Toy Review Land, everybody. Today we're going to take a look at 3 more K'NEX Plants vs. Zombies blind bags. Maybe we'll get some zombies this time. So let's open up our first one. Alright, we got a zombie. Let me put him here. Let's take a look at all of the cool characters. We've already looked at a couple of these guys. Now we got a zombie. Let's see which one we got. Check out our zombie. He's a cowboy zombie. His arms move. He's got a cool cowboy hat. Neat. Let's open up our second one. Oh wow, we got another zombie. Awesome. Let's move this guy over here. This guy's got a funny hat. It looks like a traffic cone. Cool, I like this guy. He's got a funny red suit on and a crazy traffic cone hat. Neat. Let's put those guys right there. Time for bag number 3. Wonder who we'll get in this one. Oh wow, we got another zombie. We got the cowboy zombie again. Let's put them together. Then we'll have 2 cowboy zombies. These zombies have tiny little arms and little hands. We finally got some zombies. Too bad we got 2 of the same ones though. Would you like to see more plant vs. zombie blind bags? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and subscribe. To watch more fun toy videos, click on one of the pictures. See you later!